Today I'll share the #1 free FTMO EA with you. I will show you the performance, what the strategy behind it is, and how you can start trading with it. Stay with me until the end to see how you can download it for free. On the top you can see that the Euro Aussie on M30 is performing the best for the last 5 years, and if I switch to yearly you will see that Euro Aussie on M15 shows better results. But if I go down to the monthly, you will see that Euro Aussie on M30 is again the top performer, as well as weekly and even on daily chart. So that is the expert advisor I decided to put on a brand new 100k challenge, and before I do that I need to make sure that I'm downloading it with the appropriate settings. So with the Infiniti Forex funds which I've selected to use, you can see that the target is 10%, daily drawdown is $5,000 and max drawdown is $15,000. So make sure to change max loss to 15,000, max daily loss is $5,000 and the profit target is 10%. Now I'll be trading this one expert advisor on 100k challenge alone, so I can afford to pull it with a high risk of 2% per trade, and I want to avoid new trades during the high impact news. Then I will just click on MT4 download, MT5 download, and the expert advisor is downloaded. So then I'll just copy the MT4 version, and as I said, by the end of the video you will see how you can get this robot for free. So then I'll open the MetaTrader platform where I have the challenge. I will click on file, open data folder, I will select MQL4 experts and I will paste it in here. Then I will right click on expert advisors and I will hit on refresh. This will compile the expert, and before I place it on the chart I need to enable the auto trading, and as well I need to go to tools, options, expert advisors, and I need to allow web requests and add the website of Forex SB so we can use the news filter in the expert. Then I will drag and drop it over the chart, and from the inputs you will see that I have the appropriate lot size, the stop loss and the take profit, and the lot size is exactly that much, so it will not risk more than 2% per trade. This is the high risk in the FTMO app, and below are all of the indicators and the parameters. I will click on OK and it will be attached on the chart with information about the robot, the active protections and the upcoming news. Now as I said, this robot trades on M30 time frame, so you make sure to put it on M30 time frame. Now because I'm trading this expert advisor alone in this account, I'm planning to scale it up once it reaches 2%, or if it reaches 2% of a profit. So right now it is trading with 7.31 lots, and if I achieve 2% profit in the account, I will double the lot size, so I will be risking 4% in total, but I will keep the protections to make sure I don't lose the challenge. Now let me show you how the strategy looks on EA Studio, so you will learn more about it. You can see the very same backtest like the one we have in the robot app, or that would be the same backtest if you do it on MetaTrader. And if you prefer MetaTrader, I would suggest you to backtest with MetaTrader 5 because there are the live spreads during the backtest. At EA Studio we have imported the FTMO data with live spreads, so it's the very same backtest. But the huge difference here is that if I want to change the stop loss, for example, from 40 to 30, I can immediately see the difference, or if I want to increase analyze it again, I see immediately the difference, and I found that for this asset and time frame, the robot works best with stop loss of 40 pips, and as well I can change any of the inputs. For example, with the envelopes, we have the bar opens above lower band after opening below it. And if I click on the graph, you will see that we have very clear examples of where the trades are open. For example, right in here, we have a long trade that went on a loss, and if I go earlier, you can see that there is a short trade, one more long trade was open in here. So this is a good example of the entry condition where we can clearly see that we have a bar that opened below the lower band, and once the bar was opened above the lower band of the envelopes, a long trade was opened and the take profit was reached. However, this condition should be confirmed with more indicators, and we have the D marker that should be higher than the level line, MACD line rises at the same time, RSI is higher than the level line, and RSI changes its direction upwards. And besides the stop loss and the take profit, we have an exit condition as an indicator, and that is the average true range, which crosses the level line upward with the following parameters. So if that happens, the trade will close before hitting the stop loss or the take profit. And if I go to the report and I click on stats information, you will see a lot more about strategy performance. The profit factor is 172, profit per day is nearly $120. We have the system quality number 425, and win-loss ratio is 0.46. You can see how the strategy is performing during the week and as well during the day. Plus, we can see the position profit by position holding time. So mostly the stop loss or the take profit is hit, and on the bottom we see the monthly performance. So there will be losing months, but as well there will be profitable months, and I will see how this robot will perform in my challenge. And before you go, check out the link down below in description, because we have uploaded this robot absolutely for free for you guys, our subscribers, and we really thank you for following the channel and watching the videos. Before you go, don't forget to have a look at this video, because it will teach you more about the FTMO Robot, and you will see how I passed the challenge fully automatically with the scaling system. Have a great day and safe trading.